Hey everyone, Red here. Just wanted to show y'all my power system. I have everything shut off and the wind's died down, so she'll be able to hear me just fine. That's my dog, Cold Water, over there drinking. But let me just walk you over to my power shed. But this is what it looks like, and there's my hog pen and my solar array over there. Anyways, come inside, and I've got my my battery bank over there, and that's my little kind of control panel. It's got the Harbor Freight solar controllers there, and I've got my 1,000-watt Schumacher inverter down there. I've got it's called a pulsar generator. And anyways, yeah, that's it. Thanks. Go ahead, like, subscribe, comment. I'll be adding more content shortly.